Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to stories. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram application in your mobile phone and we need to go to settings first. So click the profile icon on the lower right side and then this three lines icon up here. Then select settings and privacy, and then under who can see your content, select hide story and live, and then you must put a check mark on the right side of the friends, so all your friends, so that there's no friends that can see your stories that are being posted. So you need to manually put a check mark on the right side because there's no options to select all your friends. So after hiding your story to all your friends on Instagram, go back to home and post a story. So I will choose this one. So next, then share. And then after done sharing the stories, your friends will not be able to see your stories and wait for 24 hours until it expired. Once it's already expired, and once 24 hours is already done, because the story will expire after 24 hours, so you go back to settings, your profile icon, this three lines icon, and right here, click archive. So the right here you'll be able to see your stories that's already been expired. So just select the stories that you want to be highlighted. So select and click highlights, and then click add. And that's it. That's how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to stories. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.